Hey everyone, PC Mentor is here. Today in this video I am going to show you how we can get rid of this problem. On Windows 10 the updates are not running.